Hey guys, so today we're going to do a clean with me video. This is the kitchen and the dining room. So the first things I like to do is put on my Beat headphones. They are wireless so that I can listen to music while I clean, because this process usually takes me about 3 hours just to clean the whole downstairs. I didn't film me clean the bathrooms and my bedroom, but I just did the kitchen and the dining room. So once I find the perfect song, I just get to work. I start by collecting trash. I start in the kitchen and I get all the major trash out of there, and then I go and get all the food scraps that may be left over. There was spaghetti left over from last night and some vegetables. So then I go straight into the downstairs restroom and the office, and I collect the trash out of there as well. Once I collect all the trash, I just take it outside to our trash can, because the trash can is outside in front of the garage, and put it in the trash and add the recycling to the recycling. And then I'm going to come back and start with the dishes, because that is the easiest to start with. So I already emptied out the dishwasher this morning or last night. So I'm just going to go ahead and fill up the dishwasher with all the dirty dishes, and I kind of rinse them out. Just if there's any leftover food, I kind of rinse them out so that the food just doesn't sit in the dishwasher. So our dishwasher used the Finish like pod things, or dishwashing liquid for the Finish brand. So that's what I'm putting in there, and I click the switch and just push start, because I already have it programmed. So first I'm going to clean the counters with this Pledge Dust and Allergy Lemon Multisurface Cleaner. It's really nice, and I'm using this with a microfiber towel, and you can use this on any surface. And for the stainless steel sink, because all of my appliances are stainless steel, I'm going to use the Weiman stainless steel cleaner and polish. It's really good for stainless steel, and it keeps it from getting any extra water stains or fingerprints. So I'm going to use this on everything that is stainless steel. So you can see me here using it on the dishwasher, and the one good thing about this spray is A, it's a spray, and B, if you go with the grain of your stainless steel, and you can tell just by looking at whatever appliance you have, you'll see the lines in the direction it goes. So for my dishwasher, it goes side to side, and that's the same way for my stove and my microwave, and it helps polish the stainless steel. And so for my fridge, you'll see later, it goes up and down. So now I'm just going to remove everything from my back counters so that I can use that same lemon cleaning spray to spray down the counters and get them nice and clean and put all the dirt and food on the floor because I'm going to sweep it up later. I said this is good for any surface, so I can use this on my stove, my stainless steel, but it's not the best for polishing stainless steel or wood. So I would recommend going back over, like I said, with the stainless steel polish and cleaning. But if you don't have stainless steel, then this is perfect for, you know, the black appliances or even the white appliances. So I did empty out the toaster and got all the breadcrumbs out of that, and then now I'm going to also polish the toaster because it can get really dirty from when we make toast or they have Pop-Tarts or waffles or anything that they put in there. So I'm going to clean that off, and I'm also going to clean off my my KitchenAid mixer because sometimes oil and stuff gets splashed on there, even though I don't use it as often as I would like to, but I would like to keep it clean because it is stainless steel. So now I'm going to just kind of move everything off the counters and just getting everything together. And I'm going to use these wipes for granite and for marble countertops. And these are Weiman granite wipes as well. And these are really good to clean off the granite countertops and kind of sanitize and polish them as well. So now I'm going to go ahead and remove everything off this bar area. I have so much counter space, so many things I have to clean. So I'm going to go in with the Pledge Limit polish. Why do I keep calling it polish? This Pledge Allergen and Dust Multi-Surface Cleaner. And I'm going to clean it off with that first. And then I'm going to go back with one of those wipes like you saw me do earlier. And once again, I'm always using a microfiber towel. And for the stainless steel, don't forget to use a dry fiber towel once you go over it with that stainless steel polish. I forgot to mention that earlier. So now I'm just going to add all my little stuff back on there, my Google, my flowers, and I'm going to do my own little DIY tray setup. I wanted to create something that was kind of like summery, something that can last throughout every season. So I found all this stuff, and I will kind of list everything down below if I can, but I shopped at home.com and I found some cute flowers. I couldn't cut it with the cutters, so I had to enlist Greg's help. But I also bought some of these things from Target, and I will list them down below where I got some of the items if I can find them for you guys. And I just kind of assembled this little tray area. I thought to put a nice candle, some cute flowers, and some of these grassy mothy ball things, and then some fake succulents, just to kind of bring in some earthy tones to my kitchen because everything is stainless steel and dark. So I kind of want to warm it up a little bit more. And so I also bought this like scented thing with the, you know, the oil scent. I bought that to kind of add some fragrance without having to light a candle all the time. So I later added some of those mothy balls into the vase as well, because I just didn't like the flowers looking like empty sitting in there. But I do like how this setup came out. It looked really, really cute and pretty, and it was very simple. So I'm going to clean my fridge with the same stainless steel spray, and like I said before, you go with the grain of your stainless steel using a dry microfiber towel. And I'm just going up and down, and at first, you guys, it's going to look weird, but then once it dry, you'll see how shiny it is. Like, look at the one side I started with versus the other side, how it looks kind of dull, and that side looks really shiny. And even now, and it's been like over a week since I cleaned the whole house, it's still very shiny with no fingerprints on there. So now it's time to start the dining room. I already kind of wiped most of the crumbs off, but I'm going to start with that same lemon pledge spray just to kind of clean the table off to get any extra dust off. And then I'm going to go in with another cleaner that is actually for wood, and this is the Pledge lemon enhancing polish. This is for wood and it helps polish the table and keep it nice and clean. So I'm going to use that, and also I'll just kind of put some on whatever is left on the towel, kind of on the seats, because the seats are leather, and just kind of wipe everything down, because the girls, they get food everywhere, and I had to take Zara's chair down because there was crumbs underneath the chair. After cleaning the table, I just let you guys hear how these chairs were dragging across this wood tile floor, and I just got tired of that noise. So I bought these like Scotch like tape. They're like a felt tape things you add underneath furniture to keep it from dragging on the tile. So I added those, and you guys will hear the difference between the sound of the before and after. And I also had to fix one of the legs because it's dragging so much and catching the towel, it made one of the legs really loose. So I had to fix that as well, and then you'll hear how it sounds so much better. So I just did the same thing on all the chairs. I just added, and this was a 24 pack, so I actually had 4 left over, and I wasn't sure what to do with those, so I just put them in a drawer. But I did them to all the chairs, and I just lifted them above the table because I have to vacuum the floor next. So this is my Shark vacuum. I love this thing. The only downside is obviously it has a cord, so I have to kind of move the cord every time I switch to a different room if it doesn't reach. But this thing is so powerful. It picks up everything off the floor. It even sucks through the carpet to get all the dust and dirt underneath the carpet. That's why I love it so much. And it has 2 different suctions, one for just like tile wood floors, like a flat surface, and another one for high pile carpet or low pile carpets as well. So I use it on everything downstairs, and then I have a regular vacuum upstairs. But the only downside is that it has a cord, and it does have a really nice filter that you don't have to replace. You can just wash it. So I also like that aspect of it. And yes, you can like take them apart and have a handheld, just so if you want to do the stairs or you want to get something in the corner. And it comes with adjustable things, so if you need to reach somewhere high to get some cobwebs or dust, it's really perfect for that as well. So I do like it, but I'm hoping to get a different shark without a cord and put this one upstairs. I did wind up mopping the floor, but I was so exhausted you guys, so I didn't even get to film that part. But I did mop the floor, and maybe next time I'll show you guys what I used to mop with, because I do have a mop that is easy to use that I don't have to bend over to squeeze out. So that is it, guys. That is my whole clean with me video. I hope you guys enjoyed this. This took me 3 hours. For you guys it's like 15 minutes, but for me this was like a deep cleaning because I did more than what you guys saw. But I hope you guys enjoyed this and you get to see a little peek of what our house looked like now with it being kind of furnished. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and don't forget to like, comment, share, and definitely subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Okay guys, since you guys are already here, don't forget to click and view some of my latest videos, and don't forget to click and subscribe. See you guys. Bye.